Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate marketing flyers in FedEx Office online design easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the FedEx Office website. Click on the Design and Print section. Select marketing flyers from the list of products. Choose your flyer size and paper type. Click on the Design Now button to start the design process. You will see various template options. Browse through the templates to find one that fits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to begin editing. Use the editing tools on the left side of the screen. You can change text, images, and colors to customize your flyer. To add text, click on the text box and enter your content. Adjust the font style, size, and color as needed. To upload images, click the Upload button. Select images from your computer to add to your design. Drag and drop elements to arrange them on the flyer. Preview your design by clicking the Preview button. Make any final adjustments before proceeding. Once satisfied, click on the Add to Cart button. Review your order details in the shopping cart. Select any additional options, like quantity and shipping. Proceed to checkout to finalize your order. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. You will receive a confirmation email with your order details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.